Imagine this, you're sending your crypto to a friend, but bam, the wallet address gets hijacked. And your funds? Gone. Thanks to something called Clipper malware. Binance has just warned users about a sharp rise in Clipper malware attacks. The sneaky malware intercepts wallet addresses when you copy and paste, swapping them with an attacker's address. And the worst part? You won't even realize it until it's too late. Since August 27th, these attacks have been spreading fast, often through unofficial apps and plugins on Android devices, but it can hit you on the web and iOS too. Searching for apps in your native language? That's how a lot of people unknowingly download this malware. So, what can you do? First, only download apps from official sources. Unofficial apps are dangerous, and this is exactly how attackers get into your wallet. Binance has already taken steps to protect users, like blacklisting suspicious addresses, but your best defense? Stay alert. Triple check that address before sending anything. One extra check could save you thousands in crypto.